On YouTube, this is Make Mini once again. We're back with another video where I purchased a new vehicle that I need the engine out of it. So this is it over there. I won this car from the auction. The plan is to get the engine out of this car and put it on the red one here, and then the engine that's on the red one, we build it, put it on the blue one over there. So we're gonna see if we can start her up, unload her from the trailer, and put her inside the garage. I don't know how this is gonna happen, but we're gonna see. looking badass.
I told you.
Yeah, so
Hey, I'm moving a little bit on the side so you can
no,
have
you don't have to.
You should just go straight.
Keep it straight. The market tell that I love him. Yep. So let's see what we can find inside here. Carbon fiber book. This is the second car we found with the book on it.
Yeah.
This is not real carbon fiber.
After that, I need to look to see what it is.
Yep. Alright, so these are the factory tail lights. We have them here. This is one of them.
Put it on top.
This is the washer. There's a washer. And these are the fog lights. And we got brand new motors. As you guys can see here. Brand new. We're gonna put them in my Mini Cooper. On the green one, because the green one gonna need that. And we got a free AirPod. Still working, which is these are brand new pads. No way. I don't know if they are for Mini Cooper, but this would be crazy if they were for Mini Cooper, if they were for Minis. So my car would have a good service. They put this here. Oh, these are not for Minis. Maybe it was gonna switch them over. Let's see. Yeah, they are for Mini.
Yeah.
What am I talking about? Yeah, these are for Mini Coopers. Okay. More brake pads. These are for the rear. More brake pads. My Mini is feeling good. These are brake lines. Brand new brake lines. Okay, we got more water right here. Okay, so this is the other side of the tail light. This is more weight pads. I believe these are the Mini Cooper's weight pads, as you guys can see here. I think he was a mechanic.
I would say that.
I believe he was a mechanic. So this is trash. More brake lines. Brake pads. Brake caliper for Mini. Okay. So now what else? Another water. A jacket.
what it say. Mall of Georgia Mini.
Yeah, I think that's what it was.
Umbrella?
I wouldn't be surprised if it's an umbrella for me.
No. No.
Valvoline. Okay, I'll do all that. That's not a good sign. I think my battery's dead. Let me plug the jumper to see if it's the battery that's dead. Our battery is still low. That's it for the video, guys. That's everything I got here. Basically, that's everything I got and I've seen. Tomorrow or later on, I'm gonna try to start the engine. I will keep you guys updated on that. But for now, that's all. And again, if you guys need to make Mini once again, I will leave the link on the description for you guys to be able to get that. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Trying to give you more life. I can see through the spike. You creeping like mice. I'ma speed through the mic. Got to be more precise. You ain't wrong if we right. Had a wonderful night. Had a hell of a price. Had a hell of a bird. Up on the G, you can't let it fly.